When we look up at the night sky, almost all of the stars we can see are located within the Milky Way galaxy. For thousands of years, humanity believed that the universe consisted only of the stars visible to the naked eye. Modern astronomy, however, has revealed a far greater reality. The Milky Way is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Among them, our nearest large galactic neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy. Located approximately 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda is not only the closest major galaxy to the Milky Way, but also one of the most intensely studied objects in astronomy because it is destined to collide with our galaxy in the distant future. This enormous system of stars offers valuable insights into both our cosmic past and our future billions of years from now. The story of Andromeda actually began millions of years ago. The light we observe through our telescopes today began its journey about 2.5 million years ago. In other words, when we look at Andromeda, we are looking into the past. At the time that light left the galaxy, the earliest human ancestors had only recently appeared on Earth. Civilizations, cities, and writing did not yet exist. The image we see today is a snapshot of Andromeda as it was millions of years ago. The true scale of Andromeda is difficult to comprehend. It spans roughly 220,000 light-years in diameter, making it larger than the Milky Way. Astronomers estimate that it contains around 1 trillion stars. By comparison, the Milky Way is thought to contain between 100 and 400 billion stars. If you counted one star every second, it would take millions of years to count every star in Andromeda. Like our own galaxy, Andromeda has a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole has a mass approximately 100 million times greater than that of the Sun. Around it, millions of stars, vast clouds of gas, and highly energetic cosmic events fill the galactic core. Yet, despite this activity, most of the galaxy is far less crowded than many people imagine. While movies often portray galaxies as densely packed collections of stars, the reality is that the distances between stars are astonishingly vast. One of Andromeda's most remarkable features is that it is one of the most distant objects visible to the naked eye. Under dark skies free from light pollution, especially during autumn, you can spot it as a faint, hazy patch of light. At first glance, it may seem insignificant, but that tiny smudge actually contains hundreds of billions, possibly as many as 1 trillion stars. What appears to be a small blur in the night sky is, in reality, one of the largest structures the human eye can observe without optical aid. Andromeda is far more than a collection of stars. It contains thousands of star clusters, immense clouds of gas and dust, regions where new stars are actively forming, and numerous satellite galaxies. The best known of these companions are M32 and M110. These smaller galaxies orbit Andromeda under the influence of its immense gravity. Just as the Milky Way has the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, Andromeda has its own galactic family. For decades, astronomers carefully measured Andromeda's motion through space. The results were surprising. Rather than moving away from us, Andromeda is approaching the Milky Way at a speed of approximately 110 kilometers per second. Although this velocity sounds extraordinary, the distance between the two galaxies is so immense that the collision is not expected to occur for another 4 to 5 billion years. The word collision may sound catastrophic, but this event will not resemble two cars crashing into each other. Galaxies are composed mostly of empty space, making direct collisions between individual stars extremely unlikely. Instead, the immense gravitational pull of each galaxy will gradually distort the other. Their graceful spiral arms will stretch and warp, leading to a spectacular merger that will unfold over billions of years. At the end of this process, the Milky Way and Andromeda are expected to merge into a single giant elliptical galaxy. Some astronomers informally refer to this future galaxy as Milkomeda. If the solar system still exists by then, the night sky will look completely different. Andromeda will no longer appear as a faint patch of light. Instead, it will expand across much of the sky, creating a breathtaking panorama of stars unlike anything we see today. Will Earth be affected by this event? Most likely not directly. The probability of the solar system colliding with another star is extraordinarily small. However, our position within the merged galaxy could change. Gravitational interactions may fling the solar system into the galaxy's outer regions or place it in an entirely different orbit. These changes would occur gradually over millions of years, so no sudden catastrophe is expected. Studying Andromeda is important not only for understanding the future but also for uncovering the history of galaxies. Thanks to advanced space telescopes, astronomers can observe individual stars within Andromeda, map regions of star formation, and identify evidence that the galaxy has absorbed smaller neighboring galaxies throughout its history. Perhaps the most inspiring aspect of Andromeda is the perspective it gives us on our place in the universe. Earth is just a small planet within the solar system. The Sun is merely one of hundreds of billions of ordinary stars in the Milky Way. The Milky Way itself is only one member of a modest collection of galaxies known as the Local Group. And Andromeda is the largest galaxy in that cosmic neighborhood. Every night, the faint glow of Andromeda carries a message from the distant past. That light has traveled through the vast emptiness of space for 2.5 million years before reaching our eyes, reminding us just how immense, ancient, and awe-inspiring the universe truly is. Perhaps one day humanity will explore Andromeda not only through telescopes but through interstellar voyages. For now, however, one thing is certain. One of the greatest journeys in the universe has only just begun in our imagination.